Good morning. Sorry about the voice, just getting over something right now. This week's been pretty busy, and right in front of me is something that got delivered, added to the PaFur stable here on Thursday or Friday, one of the last couple days, and we'll show you more on that later. But for now, I don't have a whole lot of time. I do really need to get the exhaust done on this 08, so I can get these cars put away and the 08 cleaned up and put back over into the mini box. So we're gonna do that today. I'll probably do a time lapse of it just so you guys don't get bored, but we're gonna take off the stock one. It's cool that it has these valves in there too. I think that's kind of a more of a rare feature on some of these, but the Borla ATAK sound so much better. Anyway, so I'll film that install for you guys real quick, and then we'll show you around the latest edition. This one was the most pain in the ass one that I've done. I don't get it. We gotta get something with that sway bar bolt looked at too. Probably re-tap it. Nope. A little bit. I gotta get your reaction to the new stable.
Well, let's see what we got here.
You see it?
I see the right there, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Absolutely.